I am recording a video about how to use a WordCloud. I use the website MonkeyLearn WordCloud Generator by MonkeyLearn because it's the one that I like the best, but they all kind of work the same as I found it. So the first thing I'll do is I will have a Google Doc shared with my kids so that anyone within Wake County Public Schools can edit the document. And I usually have this with a text, so it'll be introducing a text where they will scan. They won't actually read, just scan over the text and pull out the words that stand out most to them. We created this one today with our syllabus, and so these are the things that they saw that stuck out to them at the syllabus. And what I will do after they have finished their time, I usually time them to about 2 minutes, a little bit longer if they have a longer text. And once that timer goes off, I will select all of it by clicking somewhere in the text, pressing down Control A to select it all, and then I will do Control C to copy the words that are there. Then I will come here to the WordCloud Generator and Control V to paste the words in here. Then I will double check all this to make sure that the spacing looks good. So there we go. And after I've double checked the spacing, I just click here to generate the cloud, WordCloud, and this is what you get. There are lots of really great things that I specifically like about the MonkeyLearn WordCloud Generator. Part of that is over here. You can see how many times a word was used right over here in this bubble. Like biology, it was used 5 times, so it's going to be the largest word right here. And if you scroll over it, you get that black box that pops up that also has how many times it was used. And if you click on it, it will highlight it with this box here. If you want to get rid of the box, click off. Behaviorism had shown up 4 times, and so it's not as big as the word biology, but it's larger than these words that showed up only once. So, if we're talking to the students and I want to highlight a word, I can click on it, cause the box to pop up, click off to make the box go away. Usually I will not share the previous screen where all the words are, where I put the words in before I generate it. But if I want the kids to see this part, I will present my screen and I will show this to them and we'll have a conversation about it. If I want to save this word cloud, usually what I do is I just take a picture of it using the snipping tool. Where you just click in a corner and drag to highlight what you want, and it creates a page. With the larger word clouds, you get some of it that is missing. Usually my word clouds don't tend to be this large. So it usually works really well for me. And then I will add that image from the snipping tool onto the Google Classroom for the kids to refer to later as a way to build a word wall.